This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 152 2RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, awning, slide-out, oven, smoke detector, DVD player, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 152 2RK is 7,204 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.